Hi, it's Professor Brown with a quick video on the 3 types of commas that you need to know about in order to write well. Now, these commas were covered in the 6-7 series of courses here at Homeschool Connections. If you didn't take those classes, but you passed out of those classes through testing, or you're here and you're just kind of wondering, what did we learn in those 6-7 courses? This is it when it comes to commas. We need to know there are 3 types of commas. Okay, the first type of comma is commas with a list. Second type of comma is a 1 + 1 = 1 comma. We're going to talk about that in the next video. And the third kind of comma is a by the way kind of a comma. All right, so in a list, 1 + 1 = 1, and by the way commas. They're the only kinds of commas that you need to know. So let's in this video talk about the list. A list is a list of 3 or more things that you write, and you use commas in between the things in your list. So if I have 3 things, I'm going to use 2 commas. So Bob, comma, Joe, comma, and Mike. Bob, comma, Joe, comma, and Mike. So notice we have 3 things, 2 commas. The and goes right before the last item, and Mike. All right, whatever that last thing is, the and goes right before it. So the comma, the last comma comes before the and. Okay, comma, and Mike. All right. If I have 4 things, I'm going to have 3 commas. It's called the 1 less rule. If I have 4 things, 1 less than that is 3. 3 commas. So Bob, comma, Mike, comma, Ted, comma, and Joe. Right? That's how the commas will work. Now, the tricky part comes when we have these pieces not just be one word. What if a piece is a long piece? Like Mike ran into the backyard with his dog Chester, comma, picked up the ball with his right hand, comma, threw the ball into the neighbor's yard, comma, and then had to go through the gate to get the ball back before the neighbor saw that the ball was there. Do you see how long those pieces were? I'm still listing out 4 things, and those 4 things can be long. It doesn't matter. We have to know what those 4 things are, those pieces, and then we'll put our commas in between the pieces, 1 less. 3 pieces, 3 things that I'm listing out in my series, 2 commas. 4 things in my series, 1 less, 3 commas. That's how commas work with a list.